It's a great day for a drive, especially in this 2019 Toyota Tacoma SR5 in white. It has gray cloth interior, seating for 4 doors, and it has about a 6-foot box with this nice tonneau cover. Has a V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has tailgate assist, as well as a sliding rear window and Bluetooth. Many more features, like that trailer tow hitch that has a hitch cover. And you can take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside in it. This is a V6 engine with an automatic transmission, and it's paired with a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. You've got these nice carpeted mats on the floor, and you have your 400 volt, your headlights, and as well, when you get in, you're going to notice on the steering wheel, you've got your volume and media located there, hands-free dialing, your dash controls, your sensors, lane keeping, and cruise control. We're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading. There we go. And it's just coming up for us there. And there you go. In the center, we've got our display screen. We can just touch on there and we can go to the different options. So we've got our Bluetooth, we've got our settings and connectivity, the phone, HD radio, and so forth that you can go into, which is kind of nice. We can touch on there. You're going to see picture configuration. When you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. So it's just telling you that's too close, and your blue lines, you've still got a little bit of room. This is right off the bumper. So it just shows you what's behind you. As you can see, a car's just past us. And I'm going to put us back into park, and then down below is your 4x4, your hazard lights, heated side view mirrors, your fan, AC, max AC. And then down below, you've got heated seats for both left and right in the front, your ECT power, you've got outlets here, USB and auxiliary, and you've also got a 12 volt that plugs in there. A couple of cup holders, you've got a little bin, automatic shifter, emergency parking brakes right beside you, cup holder and a bin, and your armrest opens up, lots of room in there. And then off to the side, a locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body, and then you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, sunglass holder, traction control, and you also have your lighting controls located there, and it also turns on your dome lighting. 16-inch wheels, mud flaps, white body, colored door handles, driver's side fuel cap. You've got this nice tonneau cover. The tailgate handle is black, and the backup camera is right beside it. It's also locking, and you have a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a trailer hitch cover. When you're ready to open it up, just put your hand in the latch, and you're going to notice when you bring down the tailgate, it's got tailgate assist. It goes down easily. Got a nice mat, and it's also a line box with tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and I always appreciate a smart design. Now, when we bring the seat up by pulling the tab, there's a nice little bin under here. We can open that up, and inside you've got your jack, and it also extends to the other side. But what I really like here is the fact that you've got little pouches to put your seat belts so they stay out of the way and don't get caught up underneath the seat, and then just pop it back. And then you've got carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a couple of cup holders, your dome lighting up top, handles, and a sliding window in the rear. White bumper in the rear, tonneau cover, about 6-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.